In this video tutorial, I will show you two ways on how to create alphabet cut and paste in ChatGPT versus Canva using your free account. So be sure to watch till the end. First, I will show you the easy way using ChatGPT. Click on this create an image, add your prompt, or if you want the prompt I use here, comment on prompt and I'll share it below. Then, click on this button and wait. And there you go. If you want another one, just type in give me another design. Then don't forget to download your generated images. Then go back to Canva and upload the images. So that's the easy way. But if you are thinking of selling this, I suggest you modify it and not sell it as is or as raw. If you want an editable version that you can customize depending on your preference, and if you're thinking of selling digital products for cut and paste activity sheets, the second option is really for you. So let's start doing this from scratch. Go to Elements, click Shape, and make the color white so it will blend with the background. But you can freely use any colors or design you want. Then let's add a dotted outline. Copy and paste the shapes. Then go to text and add the font and letter. Make sure to leave blanks for the kids to paste their letters. Once you're done, add 6 boxes or depending on how many blanks you did above and add the missing letters. Don't forget to add a cutting line and scissors so they will know where to cut. Then you can also add instructions here. Once you're finished and want to print it, go to share button and click on PDF print. If you want to sell this template and share it to your buyers, click on the share button, click on template link, and copy the link. So if you will ask me which is better, it depends on what you want to do and how you will use it. ChatGPT is faster for generating images because you can create multiple designs in just one prompt. But the output is not always fully editable or consistent. Canva makes more time because you adjust everything manually, but it gives you full control to edit, customize, and improve your design for selling. If you want speed and ideas, use ChatGPT, but if you want a polished and saleable digital product, Canva is better for final design. So I hope it helps. So be sure to follow my page to stay updated. See you in my next video. Bye!